If you think that you can do more for your e-commerce business, you need to consider expanding into new territory. Say hello to Amazon Dropshipping. Hello dropshippers and welcome. For many of you who are wondering how to expand your business, a start of a new year is always significant. If you have reached that level, you're most likely preparing yourself to expand your dropshipping business into other platforms besides eBay. You're in luck. Trackerbot and I have prepared a special video for you that will explain everything you need to start with Amazon dropshipping. Make sure you watch the video till the end to learn how to get started fast and also get a few extra tips along the way. Let's get to it. So, why Amazon dropshipping? Well, there are obvious and not so obvious reasons. The most obvious one is simple. Amazon is the largest e-commerce dominating the United States and is still growing. How about the not obvious reasons? Well, 50% of Amazon sales are made by third-party sellers. Because the platform of Amazon is very streamlined, most people don't notice it. However, you can see why this is an awesome opportunity for all sellers. Now, I know what you're thinking, but isn't eBay dropshipping going to be enough for me to make a steady profit? That's an interesting question, and the answer depends on what you want as a seller. Do you want to establish additional income streams? If the answer is yes, then you will need to hedge your bets and start Amazon dropshipping in addition to your eBay retail business. It is always a good idea to sell on more than one marketplace, which is what every experienced dropshipper is doing today. So what are the major differences with eBay? There are quite a few, but the most important one is that as an Amazon seller, you don't create a listing for the product you want to sell. That's right. There is no writing of descriptions, titles, templates, or anything of the sort. The major thing you need to do is simple. Just attach it to an existing ASIN. For example, this product is being sold by 3 different people, and although a client can choose from any of the sellers, they will almost always pick the one that has the buy box. The competition for acquiring that simple feature is huge. What's the buy box, you ask? Basically, it's the white boxed area on the right side of a listed product, and it features Add to Cart and Buy Now buttons. Now, to a normal person, this might not seem impressive, but to a dropshipper, this means an incredible increase in sales. In fact, statistics show that 82% of purchases have happened through the buy box. Here is the thing, not every seller can have it. Amazon will award the buy box to a seller only if they have excellent business metrics. Anything less than perfect is going to hurt your chance of having this valuable piece of screen real estate for your product. With that being said, you can see that getting as many buy boxes as possible from Amazon is the primary concern of every dropshipper. Long story short, if you have the buy box, you will sell like crazy. However, if you don't, well, you won't be selling anything at all. So how do you get started? Obviously, the first thing to do is to register an Amazon seller's account. When you're given the chance to choose between account types, you have to choose professional. This is important because buy boxes will only be given to professional accounts. Once it is open, you will need to work on it a bit before it's gonna lift off. Dropshipping guru Tom Cormier suggests that a seller should season their account by selling a few brand new items just to get an initial boost for your store's metrics. I have linked Tom's video below, so you can check it out as well. Choosing your suppliers. The competition for being a successful Amazon seller is a stiff one, which means that you always look for the best deals out there. Although there are a lot of options to choose from, Walmart is considered to be an all-time favorite. This is especially true if you want to sell big items. I have mentioned it in previous videos that Walmart is the biggest non-online retailer in the world. This is also one of the many reasons why you want to choose this brand as your first supplier. Alright, what software do you need for Amazon dropshipping? You should always start with getting the right price monitor for Amazon. Just like with eBay, if your supplier suddenly goes out of stock, this may become a huge issue for your Amazon store. This is why we recommend repricehub.com. It is the fastest, cheapest, and most accurate repricing and price monitor that has been built specifically for Amazon dropshippers. Reprice Hub supports more than 35 suppliers and help you manage your business with a lot of useful features. With it, you will not only have a better overview of your products, but also you will increase your chances of winning a buying box. Of course, the next piece of software you should get is Trackerbot. Just like with eBay dropshipping, tracking numbers in Amazon are just as important as they will show that you're fulfilling orders. You can get a free trial for Trackerbot from the description box. Don't forget to check out my friend Luke's Reprice Hub channel for more in-depth information about this incredible price monitor software. Remember these extra facts. Number 1. ASIN stands for Amazon Standard Identification Number, and it's unique for every product on Amazon. You should always remember that an ASIN can be different for the same listed product depending on the Amazon website. For example, ASINs for the UK and the USA can be different. Number 2. Winning the buy box is possible. However, you need to be as close as possible to the perfect customer service policy. It is known that Amazon favors sellers who take care of their clients' needs fast and without any issue. And now, number 3. A professional seller's account in Amazon will cost you $39.99 per month. Okay, wait. If you're a beginner dropshipper and you don't have the volume of products that will guarantee you a profit above $40, you shouldn't sign up for a paid account. Remember this. It's time to diversify your business. If you want to upgrade your dropshipping game, then moving on to Amazon is the natural order of things. After all, the platform continues to grow to this day. You should not miss this opportunity to establish your new Amazon business for extra profit. I want to thank you guys for checking out my video. Make sure that you let me know what you think about my methods and tips. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm Stan from Trackerbot, and I will see you soon in the next one.